Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Priyal. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I will post videos related to literally everything I love and you guys will enjoy. So, guys, another day in Mussoorie, and today we are going to explore some other places too, like the George Everest. So, yeah, let's go. View of this place is incredible. So guys, right now we are in Lal Teppa. This is the Lal Teppa cafe and we are just exploring this place. Lal Teppa actually had a cafe which was the main part of that place. So there they keep binoculars so that you can see the beautiful Mussoorie, but that can only be done when the weather is clear. The cost to see the view from the binoculars is 50 rupees. So guys, right now we are in Landor and we have come to this Landor big house. We have also ordered some things, so we are just waiting for our order to arrive. The Landor Bakehouse had a lot of options in food like croissants, muffins, cakes, and even beverages. There was also a small bookshelf there. It was for sale. I bought the Landor Days by Ruskin Bond, and the view was also really nice from the window. You could enjoy it while eating anything you buy. So guys, the place where Landor starts and ends both is Char Dukan, and it is a very nice place. The second place where we went was Kempty Falls, and it was also a very beautiful place. I enjoyed there. We also had Maggie while watching the beautiful view. So basically the waterfall known as Kempty Falls has been divided into different layers, so you can climb onto each layer and see the beautiful view. There were also people swimming, and it was quite an enjoyable experience if you go there. So guys, the third place we visited in Mussoorie was the Buddha temple, and it was a really peaceful and relaxing place, and it really calmed my mind. There were a lot of people praying in the shrines, and that place was really beautiful as well. So these were the purifying wheels. In the temple, there was a place where you can meditate, but the recording was not allowed. So I went there and meditated for some time, and the view was again really nice. You can find nice views everywhere in Mussoorie. That's very common, but still, it's really soothing. So I loved it. So guys, right now we are in the Buddha temple, and like यहाँ पे the vibe is really positive. I love it, and the view like I can find a viewpoint every place we go. Like the view is really nice. So guys, I loved that place. It was one of my favorites. This giant drum was also one of the ways to calm yourself and get the negative energies out of you. So after that, we went to the Lai Hills. So guys, while going towards the top of the Dalai Hills, I saw these beautiful prayer flags that were all over the route to the top, and they were looking really pretty colorful. So I really enjoyed the experience of the trek. Finally guys, we after a lot of trekking we have finally reached the Lai Hills. I love the view here. Actually अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है. Like it was all worth it. Let me show you. So guys, on the top of the Dalai Hills, it was very airy, but I could see a very beautiful vision of greenery in each and every corner of Mussoorie. It was the mountains, they were looking so pretty, and I could see the whole Mussoorie from the top. So there was also some information about the Dalai Hills, how it was built, and it was a really nice experience. Guys, we enjoyed the view a lot, and now we're going to George Everest to enjoy the next view. So let's go. So before going to the George Everest, we went to the Company Garden as we heard many people saying that it is a very pretty place. So we went there first. Right now we are in the community garden. We thought of visiting this place before going to the George Everest. So let's go. Guys, this garden is really beautiful. Look at those pink flowers. It is filled with them and I'm loving it. The view is really nice. There are pink, purple flowers. These red ones. Guys, let's go and see them closely. Look at them. पीछे ब्लू कलर के भी है ऐसे फ्लावर्स. So guys, the garden was wide and big, and there you could find flowers of different varieties and colors. I also saw these white leaves and they are very rare. I haven't seen them anywhere else. In that garden there were many waterfalls and fountains. So I saw this small fountain, it looked really pretty, and there were many other places too. Like that, the sixth place we went to was the George Everest. So guys, we are doing a trek to the George Everest, but I guess it's too high. Like हम लोग कुछ देर तो आए ये गाड़ी से, but यहाँ पे पूरा अलग ट्रैक है, like and बहुत लंबा. To reach that point, we have to do a lot of trek. So right now we are just relaxing on this beautiful point, and I guess we'll climb a little more. So I got further with my father to do a little more trek. My mother and my sister were relaxing at that beautiful point, and we got halfway through, but after that the path got narrower, so we had to stop and go back. So guys, finally, like ऊपर तो हम लोग गाड़ी से गए थे, बट नीचे हम लोग पैदल आए, एंड मतलब हम सोच रहे थे ख़त्म कब होगा ये रास्ता. Finally it has ended. I'm so glad. So guys, today was fabulous and we enjoyed a lot in Mussoorie. We actually explored all the places, so it was really fun, and now our trip is ended, so tomorrow we'll be back to Delhi. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.